How to use Allianz Home Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Home Insurance is a top provider in Canada, but many homeowners make mistakes that cost money or leave them underprotected. The surprising truth is that just having a policy isn't enough. You need to understand how to use it properly. A common mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Many people assume standard policies cover full rebuilding costs, but rising construction costs and inflation can leave you underinsured. Make sure your policy reflects your home's current value and includes your belongings. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. Allianz policies typically include personal liability, but lowering coverage limits to save money can leave you vulnerable if someone is injured on your property or if you cause damage elsewhere. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Renovations, moving valuable items into your home, or purchasing new assets can change your coverage needs. If Allianz is notified, claims could be delayed or denied. Overlooking discounts is also costly. Allianz offers savings for bundling home and auto policies, installing security devices, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these opportunities can cost you hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document all damages thoroughly, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Allianz Home Insurance Canada. Ensure your coverage matches your home's current value, maintain adequate liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and protects both your home and your peace of mind.